teachers, my dear kids. நான் கொஞ்சம் மலையாளத்தில், கொஞ்சம் தமிழில், கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷில், கொஞ்சம் ஹிந்தியில் எல்லாம் பேசும். எல்லாம் புரியல? ஓகே. சி இந்த ஃபெஸ்டிவல் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு நான் சொல்கிறேன். பேசிக்கலி நாங்கள் இந்தியாவில் ஒரு குரூப் இருக்குது, இந்தியாவில் ஒரு போய்ட்ரி குரூப் இருக்குது, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் போயசிஸ் ஆன்லைன். இங்கிலீஷ் போய்ட்ரி தான் நாங்கள் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குது. அப்போ இதில் 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி இது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது. இப்போது இட் இஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆல் ஓவர் த வேர்ல்ட். ஸோ லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆர் ரைட்டிங் போய்ட்ரி, இங்கிலீஷ் போய்ட்ரி beyond languages. So we have Tamil people, Bengalis, Hindi people, speaking people, but we have limitations to understand other languages. Say Tamil, I don't know fully. I can understand, but I cannot write or read. Likewise, Hindi I can speak, write, because we studied in the school. So many languages, so many cultures, and especially our country is so big and vast and have its own history. So we have so many languages, written languages, spoken languages, say, and there are few other languages that doesn't have a written language. It can only be said or spoken. So what I say is, we have such a diverse culture in our country, and we are using poetry as a medium and English as the basic language to promote friendship, humanitarian ideas, kindness, and such things. And we don't collect so much money from people to do all these things. It's all voluntary things we are doing. So many people like Ranganathan sir. First time I am meeting him. Ranganathan sir, we are friends through online only, through internet only. And for the first time I am coming to Chennai in my life. And other than that, Ranganathan sir, we haven't met. We only spoke through telephone, internet and all. And things has happened, you know. See how we selected this school, I have to tell. See, there is someone called Ashok Kumar Das. He is an Oriya. He is from Orissa and he is working in this area as an engineer. He has one friend nearby to this school. So when we asked, we collected some money. We have want to see. First of all, I tell why we collect, why we do such things. See, we see internet, from the internet, lot of things from the internet. See, one day I happened to see that. See, I should not tell here, but I have to share with the teachers. I have seen a picture from Mumbai. So there are a lot of prostitute ladies. They are collecting money for Chennai. Can you imagine that? Prostitutes are collecting money to help people of Chennai. And we condemn them for doing such acts. But whatever may be their life situations, anything can happen to anyone. Say, next moment, anything can happen to myself or yourself. See, I am not so rich, or Ravi sir, or Ranganathan sir. We are not so rich to do all these things, to collect money, to put money from our pocket, to do all these things and all. But what we have to understand is, we have to work together. See, someone have money, someone have ideas, someone have so many things. So we have to work together to make such things, beautiful things happen. So schools are wonderful atmosphere where students can understand what is kindness all about. So when we can give such things, see, it is not simply we are giving a projector or a screen and we are going back. We don't want to come here. I can book this projector to this address and send it directly to here, and you will be working on that. It doesn't make any sense. People have to understand what we are doing. Even if it is 1 rupee, so they have to understand the value of 1 rupee. It is not like that give 1 rupee, 1 kg rice free. Don't give anything free. But people have to understand from where this is coming. 1 kg rice is coming from the paddy fields. Lot of work is behind that. Lot of efforts are behind that. It is coming through lot of channels. It is reaching our plate. We don't have value because it is getting free. We don't understand the value behind that. We think everything is free. We take everything as granted. We don't have to think on that line. We have to value each and everything. So the most importantly, why we have organized such a function, First Festival. See, when we are giving projector and you are taking it, that is one thing. And other than that, what we have to try is, kids has to understand what kindness is. And you teachers and this management has done wonderful job by organizing such plays and all. And I wish this day, particular day, 27th of February, you should celebrate every year. Just like Independence Day or whatever you can think. Kindness Festival, this is the first project we are doing, and we will be doing such projects in many other areas, many other disaster areas, not only in the schools. It can go to persons also, suffering people from diseases,